What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fix by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to change your MacBook's wallpaper in here. Quite an easy process. I'm going to show you how to change to those dynamic or default wallpapers as well as custom wallpapers as your photo. If you find my content useful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. It really helps me out. Now the process is quite simple. All we need to do is go straight into the top left corner, tap in here on the little Apple logo, and then tap on System Settings. Now a new window is going to pop up real quick, and next up you just need to tap in here on wallpaper here, which is down under spotlight. Next thing you're gonna do is simply select one of these all thumbnails that we do have suggested in here. For example, we can go with colors if you want to have a plain color, something like this, or we can go with one of these pictures that we do have in here, as well as one of these earth pictures that we do have in here. We also have in here for example, Dubai skyline, a cityscape. We do have a section for cityscape. We can select one of this, and then we do have as well in here landscape. If you tap on show all, we have more options as well. A few of them, they need to be downloaded first. Next up, we do have dynamic wallpapers as well in here, where we can select one of these that we do have in here. We do have it for the normal version as well as for the dark mode, okay? And normally dynamic wallpapers go according to your software version. We do have the default one for Big Sur, for Monterey, Ventura, Sonoma, as well as Sequoia, okay? So you can select in here. Now you can also tap on add photos, choose from photos, and then select manually that photo located, and then find it and then upload it here. Now one cool thing you can do, you can go all the way to your internet browser. For example, here I am on Google Chrome on Google, and I can search for a specific wallpaper. For example, custom wallpapers for MacBook. Okay, there we go. We do have a lot of custom wallpapers in here, or suggestions or ideas that we may be giving a look at. For example, I'll be going with this one, custom to Hawaii. Okay, and then you can simply select one of these wallpapers and download it. For example, I do have this one. I can simply tap on right click and then tap on open link in new tab. It's going to launch up real quick. Let's just wait for a couple of seconds, and here we go. I do have my wallpaper in here. Now what I can do then is simply tap on one of them, open image in new tab, and then download it. Right, here we go. I can also do it directly from here. Right click, open image in new tab. Okay, it's much easier. And then all I need to do is simply right click after the download gets completed. There we go, it's done. Right click, save image as, and then downloads or desktop, whatever I wish to save it. Next up, all I need to do is tap on add photo, choose, and then simply manually select that photo that I've just downloaded. Right, so once I find it, there we go, it's Tehar. Here we go, I have my picture right here. Tap on choose, and it's going to be added into your wallpaper as soon as possible. So this is exactly how you can actually change your wallpaper on your MacBook. Quite an easy process, super easy. I hope you find my video useful, and if you find my content useful, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and like the video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.